Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're continuing our series on lesser-known tips for general health care that will promote healthier and faster-growing hair. Some of them are really surprising, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
Enjoying the summer can help minimize your risk of developing heart disease. This is because being active in the calmer weather can help lower your blood pressure and improve your cholesterol levels. The sun's rays contain ultraviolet (UV) radiation, which is known to cause skin damage. However, moderate exposure to UV radiation can actually be useful for your health as it helps the body produce vitamin D. Vitamin D is important for vigorous bones and muscles, and can also help boost your immune system. Practicing softball can have numerous health benefits. For one, it can help improve your cardiovascular health. This is because playing softball requires you to move around a lot, which gets your heart rate up and helps your blood to circulate more efficiently. Softball can also help to strengthen your muscles and bones, as well as improve your coordination and balance. Additionally, the social aspect of playing softball can help reduce stress levels and promote positive mental health. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your health, why not give softball a try? A recent study published in the journal Frontiers in Psychology found that embracing can help alleviate stress and contribute to good health. The researchers discovered that all forms of touch, including embracing, were associated with lower levels of stress. However, embracing was identified to be the greatest effective at decreasing stress. The researchers believe that this is because embracing is a more intimate form of touch than a handshake. If you're struggling to sleep at night, you might want to try listening to the sound of wild animals. According to a new study, people who listen to this type of sound before bedtime sleep better and report feeling more rested in the morning. There are countless reasons why wild animal sounds may help you sleep better. One of the reasons is that it can help to reduce stress and anxiety levels. Listening to calming music or nature sounds has been shown to lower blood pressure and heart rate, both of which can help you feel more relaxed.
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun. So let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.